Biggest challenge I see for democratic India is the threat to one of our biggest selling points in the international community. An English-speaking democracy with a working Anglo-Saxon justice delivery system is what makes us, as against China, what makes us very attractive. When you get up in the morning, you read a newspaper which is very critical of the government. Now that's very reassuring when you come to a foreign country. Similarly, when you're told that there is a legal system which is like the Anglo-Saxon system, you can understand it if you're a Westerner, you can figure out how it works. That's our biggest strength, and that is under the single most important threat of its life. It's teetering on the brink. And one of the reasons is, what concerns everybody is the Indian lack of respect for the laws. And that is basically because we have lost fear of the law. And we have lost fear of the law because of two reasons. One is we have far too few judges. The other important reason is the other wing of your criminal justice system, that is investigation of crime, has suffered greatly. Investigation of crime has two parts. One is skilled police. You can't have that word Dandawala police who investigates today. You need a completely different set of skills which we are not training our police. And the other is witness protection. With today's kind of system, unless a witness feels confident going into a courtroom, all your investigation is a waste of time.
Fear of this law actually is there in a certain service class. I mean, for example, just take us as a background, we are IIT, IIM, CCA.
You see, it is a declining fear of the law. How many of us would think twice before parking where you shouldn't be parking? Would you do it in London? You won't, because you know in half an hour your car will get a ticket, and in 45 minutes it will get a log jam, which is going to cost you 1.5 hours and £150 to remove. So when the law is enforced with rigor
and the right penalties.
But in fact, that's the other way around. The honest people fear the misuse of law by police system. Like we also.
In fact, what has unfortunately then happened is because the criminal justice system is unable to deliver convictions, partly because of that and partly because of our disgust with politics and politicians, we are becoming, and this is what I'm worried about, we are becoming a lynch mob society. So what happens is, whenever somebody is arrested, you say, good, got the bastard. You don't even realize arrest is on suspicion, and it is virtually not justiciable. And today, the judges have become so narrow-minded that you rarely get bail. So, you arrest somebody, put him inside for 15 days is all that you hear about. What happened thereafter? Even nobody bothers to check.
But that itself is much worse than any punishment that we can do.
This becomes a system not of trial by conviction, but trial by embarrassment. You catch a man, arrest him, and he's front page news. You've damned his reputation, he's finished forever. After which, he may get a clean acquittal, it may be found the case against him was foisted, that will come page 8, 7th column.
You can't undo the damage.
You can't undo